Hey everybody, I haven't made a video in a while. Excuse me. I've been busy. Nothing really exciting to video, but broke the fork on the loader, so I had to do some welding. As you can see, not the prettiest of welds. So that's just the back part. It was all cracked there, but kind of broke right in half there. But what I did to strengthen it was, let's see if I can tip this over. It's heavy. Put in this plate, 1/4-inch plate, welded at an angle all the way down, because this channel iron here wasn't very strong. Kind of thin metal, but we used what we had hanging around. So, but this will strengthen it up. It always cracked right about here, so I think that'll be a lot stronger now. As you see, we just use what we have lying around. So, get that put back on the loader. Loader's right there, and feed some more cows. Thanks for watching. I'll have more videos up in a bit. It's starting to dry up now, as you can see. Yeah, and that's nice. Thanks for watching.